Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this first day of December 2025. Welcome. And if you've seen any of our previous videos, you know we love our favorite indicator, which is our strong candle indicator, found only at SamuraiDayTrading.com. And it tells us where and when to take the trade. It says here we're going to take a green arrow, we're going to be going long, and we're going to put our trade on this one to go uh, to the top of the screen. So that's what we're going to do. The volatility is decreasing, so I expect the next candle to be somewhere around 80 to 120 ticks, more to the 80 tick side because you can see it's going down. So we're going to use our standard ATM of 16s, 30s, and I think we'll use 61s instead of 91s. I think that's what we used in the room. So let's see if we can find that real quick. Here we go, right here. And we'll go ahead and put a cover order on. That cover order on would have been hit, but it would happen so fast. We had to wait till it retraced back down under. Then we put our trade on to buy, and we're just going to let it rock and roll. And here's how it all happened in the live trading room today. We'll go at the regular speed on this until we get picked up in the trade. Then we can make it a little faster. So we're not sitting here all day. So we have a very strong candle. We had multiple failures at the 50 of the day. It's just a magnificent way to go long. Boom. Once our first target's hit, we de-risk the trade completely and see if we can catch our runners. So 16s are out, 31s are about to be taken out. And then we'll go ahead and speed it up just a little bit and see if we can get our 60s hit. Oh, so close. There we go. 60s are out. Now that trade took less than 2 minutes and was worth 610 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 610 US dollars in less than 2 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room really soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.